we welcome you to another DIY video brought to you by Union Hardware in partnership with Dulux. I'm Kelly and this is
Taffy.
Today we're going to show you how you can give your ceiling a crisp, professional and good finish using Dulux Ceiling White.
Thank you, Kelly. Our Dulux Ceiling White is designed to give your ceilings that premium clean finish. It's a premium quality paint that hides plastering imperfections but also non-reflective and gives your ceilings a matte finish. However, when you're painting, your preparation is key, and also the accessories that you use are also very important. What do we have with us today, Kelly?
Today we've got a couple of painting accessories that you're gonna need when you are painting your ceiling. We've got a thinners, we have got a plastic sheeting, we also have got a small paint brush, a sandpaper, a roller brush and a painting tray.
Wow, that looks like a lot. However, I just thought of something. Your ceiling might not always be new. It could have stains from water, from fire, you name it. We do have the Dulux stain sealer that you can apply before applying the ceiling white. Our Dulux stain sealer is there to cover up any of the stains that you may have on your ceilings, as we will show you.
Let the preparations begin. As you can see, we have prepared or covered our work area. Now the next step that we're going to do is to check and see if our ceiling has got any dust or cobwebs that needs to be cleaned before putting our paint.
Our room is ready, but now our surface needs to be ready. We definitely need to scrub off the surface, make sure there's no dust and cobwebs or grease or any other aspects that might affect our paint. Our first coat is going to be our stain sealer to cover up the stains that are on our ceiling. Our stain sealer is an oil-based product that is there to cover any water-based elements that might have affected your ceilings. Because it's oil-based, you're going to need 8 to 12 hours for it to dry. It can take longer in cool weather, so make sure that you've got enough time, you've aerated your room, and you're very patient to allow it to dry before your next coat.
Let's get started!
So, it's 24 hours later. Our stain sealer needs 16 to 18 hours to dry because it's oil-based. So come with us and let's apply our first coat of the ceiling white.
Now that we are ready to paint, we're going to start by painting our corners and edges using a smaller brush.
As you can see, Kelly is doing a great job with the first coat of the ceiling white. Because our ceiling white is water-based, you will only need 4 hours in between coats, which is 4 hours drying time before you can apply your second coat. We recommend 2 coats for a smooth, even and perfect finish for the ceiling white. Great job, Kelly.
Thank you, Taffy.
So, once everything is done, you definitely need to remove your masking tape that you use to cut your edges, clean up your workspace, and then after that, admire your smooth ceiling white finish. Perfect, and just like that, your room looks as good as new, with your stains covered with our stain sealer and our ceiling white giving you the perfect smooth finish. That's what our stain sealer and our ceiling white can do for you.
And don't forget to visit our Union Hardware YouTube channel for more DIY videos. And once again, I'm Kelly and this is
Taffy. See you next time.